Have you ever wondered why some people seem to succeed more easily than others, even when they have the same education or skills? It's not always about what you know. Sometimes it's about who you know. Welcome to the world of social capital, a powerful sociological concept that explains the hidden value in our human connections. In sociology, social capital refers to the resources we gain through our social networks, like trust, cooperation, information, and support. Sociologist Pierre Bourdieu defined it as the aggregate of the actual or potential resources linked to possession of a durable network of relationships. In simple terms, it's the advantage you get from having connections. Would you like a real-life example? Let's take job hunting, for instance. Imagine two students looking for a job. One spends weeks applying online. The other calls a friend whose uncle owns a business and gets an interview the next day. Both may have the same qualifications, but one used social capital. Sociologists break social capital into three types. 1. Bonding. These are strong ties, family and close friends giving emotional support and loyalty. 2. Bridging. These are looser ties, like acquaintances, classmates, or coworkers. They help access new information or opportunities. 3. Linking. These are ties to people in positions of power, like teachers or professionals. They can open doors others can't. Let's take another real-life example, shall we? Students from well-connected families often get help outside school, like with tutoring, advice, even internships, all thanks to social capital. Others might have the same potential, but fewer resources because their networks are smaller. So why does it matter? Well, communities with strong social capital, where neighbors trust and support each other, tend to have lower crime rates, better health outcomes, and more civic engagement. But when social capital is unequally distributed, it can deepen social inequality. Let's look at the academic perspective on it. Political scientist Robert Putnam, in his book Bowling Alone, argued that social capital is declining in modern societies. There's more screen time, less community involvement, and less trust in neighbors. Putnam warned by saying, "We have become increasingly disconnected from family, friends, and neighbors." So what can we do about this? Well, a few things. You can build social capital by joining clubs, teams, or community groups, volunteering or helping others, and strengthening relationships. Do you agree with Putnam? Do we have a problem? Share your opinion in the comments. Social capital isn't about using people. It's about mutual support, trust, and connection. In a world full of competition, it's the invisible glue that helps individuals and whole communities thrive. Stay curious. Stay connected. Don't just build a resume. Build relationships. Did you enjoy this video? Then follow me and subscribe for more insights into sociology. And please share my video with like-minded curious people. It would really help me reach a wider audience and make better videos. Want me to cover a certain topic? Then please leave me a comment. See you next time.